नींद निशानी मौत की, उठ कबीरा जाग.
Seers and saints like Sant Kabir have always shared wisdom that has transcended time, age and gender, making it relevant even today. Are you willing to find yourself? How far are you willing to go in this self-search? Are you a part of the problem or a part of the solution? If you were to die tomorrow, would you be at peace today? These are the 4 questions which are the pillars of the Unlock Yourself course.
Unlock Yourself is an intensive course. It is directed towards those who want to emerge with love for the self and for the planet, a sensitivity to engage with our internal and external environments, and courage to live our own truth.
You will learn how to apply Sant Kabir's wisdom in your day-to-day life. Kabir's dohas will be the introspective tools to engage with yourself and the world from a place of deeper understanding. This is your opportunity for intellectual motivation, self-reflection and action.
I'm Dakshayani. During my journey of learning law and education, I discovered my passion for music and teaching. I've always been interested in learning new things and being my most authentic self. On the Unlock Yourself course, I bring to you interesting stories and anecdotes that will inspire change.
I am Mandar. I am a musician, writer, speaker and a strategic communication consultant. A lifelong student of Sant Kabir, in Unlock Yourself course, I will be bringing the dohas, the music and an understanding of the wisdom of this celebrated 15th century saint. I will be sharing my interpretations of Kabir's work in a very simple and relatable language.
I'm Pooja. I'm a conservation biologist, and I have spent my life traveling and exploring our connections to nature and the lack of it. On the Unlock Yourself course, I'm basically the taskmaster. I bring to you the action-based items that require you to reflect and introspect and also make changes to your lifestyle by forming new habits.
The main purpose of this course is to empower you to be a change maker. The course comprises of 6 themes: love, awareness, now, sharing, compassion and completeness. Spread across 6 weeks, each of these themes presents to you an opportunity to introspect, respond and act.
Expect videos, stories, tasks and reading materials. The pedagogy of the course involves singing, self-assessment, affirmations, in-person and online community interactions.
After completing the Unlock Yourself course, you will be able to gain a deeper understanding of operating in this world from a place of love, sensitivity and courage. We welcome you to come and engage with a like-minded community that is moving towards becoming a part of the solution.